Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where your AC discharge tube is located on this 2017 Hyundai Accent. This is where the condensation drains from your AC. So if this freezes up or gets plugged up, it'll stop your AC from working. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. First thing you'll need to do is jack up your vehicle. Passenger side is probably preferable, but driver's side works too. Okay, I'm using this as a lift point. Make sure you're using a jack stand. Then our discharge tube is located right here. So if this freezes up, you might need to stick like a piece of wire or something up there to get it unplugged. If you do, a bunch of water is going to come running down through here, so just make sure you're out of the way. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.